So this Bitcoin NFT was purchased for 0.91 BTC and it was minted for 0.01 BTC, which was the investment of $230, and it was sold for $21,000. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you step by step how you can start trading your Bitcoin NFTs, how you can set up your wallet, where you can trade them, how you can sell them over the counter, and also some of the upcoming projects. So definitely watch the video to the end. There will be more upcoming projects on Bitcoin, so I think you're supposed to take advantage of that. So let me show you briefly the collection that we're going to talk about, which is the ordinal punks, and this is 100 punks minted within the 650 inspirations on Bitcoin. And what inspiration are? They are basically the content that is minted onto Bitcoin. As you can see, they have very little following. It doesn't really matter because a lot of people found them very innovative. So that's essentially first PFP on the Bitcoin. You can essentially see all these different punks. There's only 100 of them and they were minted for 0.01 BTC. And a lot of people selling them above 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 BTC. Nobody really knew about this. That was a Discord. A few people joined the Discord, and within one day, the founder, he minted all the punks and then distributed them over the counter. So you send the ETH or BTC to the founder and he sends you the NFT. So let me show you the multiple sales that we can find in the Discord server. So as you can see, a lot of people made 2 or 3x profit on these, but if you scroll down, you can essentially see that a lot of people made even more money, 0.35 BTC. 0.4 BTC. There's also multiple sales over 0.5. I think the highest one is 0.91 at this moment, and I do expect Isness narrative is going to pick up even more. A lot of people is going to buy even more. There's a lot of different BTC whales. If they're gonna find this very, very unique, maybe they'll acquire one of these punks because there's only 100 of these, and we might speculate that there will be more opportunities in the future. So stick to the end of this video because I'm gonna be talking about some projects. So the first step that I want to show you essentially what you need to do to trade your NFTs on Bitcoin. Essentially, first things that you need to set up is you can download Bitcoin Core, which is essentially Bitcoin nodes that you host on your computer or your virtual machine. The disadvantage of that is you need to download it, and that's over 450 gigabytes. You need to sync it on your machine, and then you use this node as your wallet. And all we need to do, you need to download the software and install it. And if you want to learn more about how you can do that, you can watch this video. That's an excellent video. I think everything is very precise and very simple to understand. The next thing that you need to do, you need to go to this document. So if you want to set up your node, Bitcoin Core node, you need to configure it step by step, how you can essentially see in here. So you need to install your Bitcoin Core, sync your Bitcoin blockchain, create your Bitcoin Core wallet. That's very simple to do. Once you download it, you basically install this core and then you create your wallet, and then you use your wallet on the node. And the fourth step that you can see, you need to use the Ord wallet to receive sats, and everything very transparent and well written in this guide. So if you follow this, it shouldn't be any problem for you to do that. If you are not technical at all, you don't want to do anything with the command line interface, you can basically download the another wallet. But you need to remember that this technology is relatively new, so there's no marketplaces or anything like that. You need to basically, if you want to buy your NFTs, you leave it at the wallet and you don't touch it at all, because if you want to send your NFTs somewhere else, you're probably going to end up sending your NFTs with your Bitcoin somewhere else, so you're going to lose your NFT essentially. Ord wallet allows you to separate the NFT which is in your wallet with all these Bitcoins, so one sat equals to one NFT. And if you have your Ord wallet, this will allow you to send them differently, separately to different wallets that you want to send to. But I'm going to be showing you the other way what you can do, the simplest way. Let's say we are not technical and we want to wait for the GUI support for the different wallets that they're going to be releasing in the future. If you don't want to be doing this, you don't want to be playing with this command line interface, we can basically follow the easier way. The second way, what we can do, we can install this Electrum wallet on your virtual machine, for example. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. And you need to remember that this wallet doesn't have the Ord support, so you can't send your NFTs somewhere else, because you're going to send your Bitcoin and also NFTs in the same transaction, let's say. So all you need to do is to wait for the GUI support, like for example MetaMask, where MetaMask can differentiate and separate your NFTs from your tokens. So now I'm on my virtual machine, and if you go to the website electrum.org, you need to find the Windows installer, you download it, you install. Everything is very simple. So first things first, you need to name your wallet. So let's say you want this to call main. And then you have 4 options. So let's say you want to create new standard wallet, you click next. Then you want to create a new seed, you click next. or either if you have your previous seed phrase, you can import that in here as well. You can also use a master key, or you can use hardware device. Once you have that, in this case, we want to create a new seed, which is new wallet, and this wallet generated for us 12-word seed phrase, which you need to save somewhere in a secure place, probably not on the computer. So once you do that, you can click on next. So now you need to type in your seed phrase, which you previously copied. Once you got that, you can click next. So now you need to create your password, so definitely try to make something strong. And as you can see, we've got the 4 different tabs, like we've got, for example, history, we've got the send tab, receive tab, and also channels. So in the history tab, you will see all different transactions that you sent and also received. In the send, you can send your payment to the another Bitcoin address. You can specify your amount. So this is essentially the base unit, like BTC. You can also use SAT or BTC. So if you go to tools, you can check the preferences. If you click on that, you can see you have your base unit, so you can adjust it to yourself. And in a receive, pretty much the same. So let's say we want to receive 100,000 sats. And if you click on the create request, it's going to generate the Bitcoin address. And this Bitcoin address is going to be necessary because you need to get your NFTs. So you need to send this Bitcoin address to the person that you're dealing with. And very important note, as I said before, this wallet doesn't have the ORD support. You need to just leave your NFTs on this wallet. Don't send anything to this wallet. Don't try to send this NFT somewhere else. You just need to wait for the appropriate wallet that you can then trade your NFTs. So definitely keep that in mind. And lastly, I want to show you how you can export your keys. So let's say you've got the wallet already. We've got the new wallet that you can import your private keys. So what you can do, you can go to your wallet and then you click on private keys, click export, and then you put your password. And then it's gonna generate the private keys. You can save it either in the CSV file or JSON format. And if you want to import these private keys to your new wallet, you need to make sure that your new wallet have the ORD support, which is essentially the graphical interface that is going to differentiate your NFTs from the Bitcoin on their wallet. So once you've got everything set up and you want to buy some of these NFTs, let's say you want to buy the ordinal punk. So if you go to the official channel, the way how you can buy these NFTs is only through OTC based on the trust. So there's no marketplaces or anything like that. So you need to do your proper research before you buy any of these NFTs because it's extremely risky, but the rewards are also extremely high. So definitely keep that in mind. There will be more different upcoming collections. So definitely there's a room and opportunity to make some decent trades. So if Bitcoin whales, they're gonna catch up on these, we're definitely gonna see some sales above couple Bitcoins, in my opinion. I think we are 3 days after right now, and a lot of people buying punks over 0.5 Bitcoin. So that's huge in my opinion. On this spreadsheet, we can find people that they bid it on the punks, and also we can see that people that want to sell. So we've got the price, and also the price can be in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And we also have the USD value. So if you want to trade these punks, it usually is required to do that through the escrow and with the help of the moderators of the team members, and they are helping you to trade these punks and make this trade successful. So there's no marketplaces at the moment. Everything is very underground, I would say. So definitely we are so early. And one of these new collections that they're gonna be launching on Bitcoin is called Bitcoin Shrooms. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin first ever ordinal collection. They have a website and only 277 followers, which is very little if you're gonna compare it to ETH or Solana, where everything is botted. Not a lot of people know about Bitcoin NFTs yet, so I think you guys are super early. You can see a few different sneak peeks and arts and how this is going to look like. And if you're gonna have a look on their website, you can find all of these Bitcoin ordinal NFTs, and they look really cool to me. We've got the Linux here, we've got avocado, the tick mark, the crown. So every NFT, every shroom have a different trait, which is very unique. And there is only going to be 210 NFTs. So that's definitely scary, and a lot of people will try to get the one because a lot of people will try to ride a wave straight away once they're gonna know that the Bitcoin NFTs exist. We're gonna see something very interesting in upcoming weeks and also months, and maybe even more. So essentially the 210 pieces of the art inscribed of the Bitcoin blockchain and are represented by the serialized Satoshis or ordinals. And also they mention if you want to receive and send and store your Bitcoin shrooms, you'll need to set up your order wallet that I showed you before how you can do that. So definitely keep that in mind. We're gonna be discussing more about these Bitcoin NFTs in my Discord group, so definitely join if you want to learn more about this stuff and stay ahead of the herd. So if you like this video, definitely smash the like button, comment down below what you think about this video, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.